In today's video, I am going to teach you how to abandon cart Klaviyo setup code. We are going to do two things. First, you will start an abandoned cart flow inside Klaviyo. Then you will open your Shopify theme code and paste the required snippet at the bottom of the correct template file, so Klaviyo can properly track cart activity and trigger the flow. Start by logging into Klaviyo. From your main dashboard, go to Flows. This is where Klaviyo automations live. Click Create Flow, and then choose the Abandon Cart option. This gives you a ready-made structure that you can customize later, but for now the important part is getting the flow created so it is available and connected to tracking. Next, open a new tab and go to your Shopify admin. In the left-hand menu, open Online Store, then select Themes. You should now see your current theme listed. Make sure you are working on the live theme you want to track, because editing the wrong theme can lead to confusion when testing. On the theme you are editing, click the three dots menu shown as 3 dots in a row. From that menu, choose Edit Code. This will open Shopify's code editor with folders and files on the left side. In the file list, find and open the Templates folder. This folder contains the template files Shopify uses to render key pages. Take a moment to confirm you are inside templates before you proceed, so the code goes in the intended location. Now paste the abandoned cart tracking code at the very bottom of the file you are editing, below everything else already in the file. Placing it at the bottom helps avoid breaking existing layout code and makes it easier to locate later if you need to update it. When you paste, be careful not to delete or overwrite any existing lines. Also, make sure the code is pasted exactly as provided, with no extra characters or missing parts. After the code is in place, save your changes in Shopify. At this point, your Klaviyo flow is created and your theme has the tracking code added, which is the core setup needed for abandoned cart tracking to work. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.